Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinese Tips. This is Peng. Today we're going to talk about Mid-Autumn Festival. Mid-Autumn Festival is often celebrated around September and October. First, let's look at the word 中秋节. 中 means middle. 秋 means autumn. 节 means festival. 中秋节 Mid-Autumn Festival. Next word 月饼. 月饼. 月 means moon. 饼 means cake. The most important thing during this festival is to eat mooncakes. There are hundreds of different flavors of mooncakes. We have the traditional ones like 5 nuts, lotus, red bean, and pork. And we have some new stuff like snow skin, chocolate, even ice cream. I haven't tried ice cream yet. Mooncakes are often round-shaped because roundness means togetherness and completeness in Chinese culture. So, Tang Yuan we eat on Lantern Festival has the same meaning. Next one, 神话. 神 means God. 话 here means story. 神话, God's story. Myth. The myth of this festival, maybe you already know, is Chang'e flying to the moon. Chang'e is wife of Hou Yi. After drank the elixir of immortality, she flew to the moon. Then we have 赏月. 赏 means to look or watch. 月 means moon. 赏月, watch moon. In Chinese culture, the moon is at its brightest and fullest size on this festival. So we have this tradition to watch moon on the day. Now you know the basics about Mid-Autumn Festival. As the most important part of this festival, mooncake is not just for eating, but also for gifting. Songli is a Chinese tradition. We give gifts to friends or family members or business partners, and absolutely the best gift on this holiday is mooncakes. That's why the mooncakes are in the very beautiful boxes. It's not just for eating, it's a gift. So what price do the Chinese like to buy mooncakes? Let's go to the supermarket and see how much a mooncake costs. Da, 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 da.
这个大团圆月饼这么大，比我的手还大，然后是138。这种月饼是96元一盒。这里有79元的、62元的，大家看一下，很漂亮的盒子，62元一盒的。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8盒。这个是110一盒。这个米奇8月15，80块钱一盒。这个包装很好看。这个也是米奇的，72元。这种是118，这种是160，这种是102。所以我们看到基本上是几十块钱到100出头，这种比较多，在超市里面卖的，一般卖100左右的比较多。可能这个超市没有那么高端，贵的月饼也不是太多，有些大超市的月饼可能有贵一点。这是东西
散装糕点。Now let's take a look at the price on Taobao and Jingdong.
月饼，然后按销量排序，可以看到买的最多的是49.9块的这一款，30多万人收货。看一下它的宣传视频。快近一点。哦。这个设计挺特别的，稻香村的团聚。好了，我们来看一下这个的，我们来看一下它的其他的图片。好的，然后我们再按照价格从高到低来排序看一下。哇，这是什么呀？迪士尼时尚月饼礼盒，个十百千万十万999999，这假的吧？不可能卖这么贵，这肯定是假的。这个包装很好看，我们来看一下这个的宣传片。哇，好棒！哇，上面有玉兔，上面是只兔子。哇，这一小看起来都很好吃。啊，太漂亮了这个。这是什么？大富翁游戏盒多口味月饼礼盒。我听不懂他们说话。哇，有骰子，这个游戏，大富翁的游戏，哇，好有特色啊！这个盒子，哇，这月饼里面居然还有，这是什么？这个月饼好大。这个也挺有意思的，薄饼，赌博吗？赌博的博，好吧。好，看完了淘宝的，我们现在来看一下京东的月饼。京东的应该价格都比较正常一点。综合销量排序，我们按销量排序，然后卖的最好的是这款，169元的，然后卖了30多，有33万的评价。我们来看一下它的宣传片。稻香村还是个老牌子，稻香村这个老牌子。 哦，三个抽屉，看起来不错。好了，来看一下它的其他图片吧。OK， 那我们再看一下，这排名第2的有这个月饼，看起来也不错，219。哇，这个感觉很时尚。
北京字样，
这个看起来不错，219，是清朝风格的。哇，这些图片做的也很好看。那我们再按价格排序。看最贵的是1万块钱的，真的假的？有人买吗？好像没有人买。哇，这也太精致了吧！燕窝月饼。然后我们再看一下买的最多的是什么价位的？你看这里有39%的用户喜欢的价位是33块钱到72块钱的。然后淘宝卖的最多的价位是32到211，这个范围比较大。
Alright, that's the video for today. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. So every time I post a new video, you're not gonna miss it. Thanks for watching. This is Peng. See you next time. Bye.